Di siya ang gusto mong palit kay mahal, pero sabi ko sa kanya, you choose once, the best.
Going down to purchase. Ta-da! Hello y'all, what's up? This is Maria Feelingera and welcome again to another video. And in this video, I'll be showing to you the part 1 of my bedroom makeover. History sa bedroom. Well, I stayed in this room for almost my entire life. My kuya and my ate and I stayed in this room. So kami gina usually go when before. And so much memories ang na-build na ani, so much stories nga, even ang mga stickers sa walls, stickers sa bed, murag lisod ka siya alat ko. So actually this is the first major transformation sa room. So most of the details, nag-ask ko decisions from my brothers and sisters, and most especially sa ako ang mother. So, I hope you will enjoy, although part 1 pa lang na siya, but I'll be showing you more and more sa makeover of the bedroom. So, enjoy guys! Nako rin sa Unitop to buy 4 hangers for my closet, and I can't believe nga 12 pieces, 45 na siya kabuk. I mean, 12 pesos for 12 pieces of hangers. So, I prefer hanger nga na ay like this, para masabitan sa karsonis. And it's a plenty kayo right here. Murag isa siya ka. Okay. So, I think I need pila ba? I think mag-buy ko ani 5 ka batch. 5 ka pack or bunch. I just bought I think 7 bunches of hangers. Alright guys, so from Unitop, we're here with my mom sa SNR para sa closet organizer.
Closet ni Jane Rose sa Bagay.
So yung maingon ma.
Yes. Di siya ang gusto mong palit kay mahal, pero sabi ko sa kanya, you choose once, the best. Oh, di ba?
Quality.
What is money after all? You still have money you receive.
Alright, so that was the first 2 quick clips sa mga preparations. And of course, one of the major things to do when you have a makeover is to clear out and sort out things in your bedroom. And yeah. First and foremost, when you enter the room, I'm sorry for this. Wala na lang gid kahulat, no? Kaya na-install na gid ako ang bagong gidala na closet organizer. So, murag na gid siya. So, you know, actually, mas excited pa ako ang mom ani nga makeover. So, she decided to install what we've bought yesterday na closet organizer. Ganito. There are 2 racks, 2 hangers, 2 hangers. Oh my god, na siya for my clothes. And yeah, so again, so this is what you see when you enter the room. So right at this corner, ako ang mga orokan, best in orokan, na mga sanina, all those stuff. Right, so very sentimental gining bed kay actually kini siya, it's a double deck. And so gikuan na mo siya upper deck. It's because wala na magtulog, and my ate has left again. My ate has her own home already, and also nanapoy lain gapoy na kuwit. So gikuan siya og upper deck because no one's sleeping already, because I only occupy the room because you know, they have their own families. Ako ang mga elder brother and sister. So, it's here at my bed. And I got here a big mirror. Yan. And my bags over here. And parang storage area gamay. and the dilapidated roof. And so what I will do is that I will organize here everything, my clothes in one rock. Ayan. And I will repaint the room with pale pink. Of course, I bought best bed that will give me the best comfort here. And trying to organize this part right here. And trying to put space for my shoes, guys. Just look at them. They're on the floor. They have no space. Ayun. Okay, so first I'll be sorting out those the dresses nga pwede pa na ako magamit sa events. And the rest will be donated. So maybe I'll start here at this area. So, oh my God! I just can't imagine ano na di kadaghan. Okay.
Bikil, wala na sa ladies to?
Kapaak mo gina siya.
Ha?
Kapaak.
Kapaa?
Nakapatong siya ng headboard ng bag.
Hmm.
Ini mahandas ba may gigit ng hiris.
Magiging.
Yang TL ma'am siya.
Oh.
Ayun.
Just in case kung gamito ninyo.
Lagi, oh.
Hey.
May papirma.
Go. Hello there, you guys. Welcome again to my bedroom makeover vlog. And right at this time today, it just got delivered my bed. Yun. So it has its headboard. So headboard tawag ani. And then I didn't expect it na hindi siya kataas, no? So it's like above the knee. Ano? Iyang drama. And the good thing about it, and most requested po sa ako ang mga igsoon, is the pull over bed. Pull out bed. So, here. So, na siya yung parang extra bed here that you gotta pull. Ganyan. Yun. So excited for this. And what left for me is this space. Yan. So, murag dagan-dagan pa ni siya i-clear out. And, yun. Ideally, gusto lang kong single bed na I pull over sa ubos para na makatulog lain. Or lower cabin. Ah, there's a cutie. Oh! Ano yung price?
The hunt for your DIY and construction supplies is finally over.
Wala mo gyapon din na.
Cute, oh.
Construction material.
Sige, go.
Kasi gusto mo ma'am, kanang set na gitsa ma'am, nana sa pull out.
Oh, asa the bed.
Yan, foam nana.
Pero, dito to. So, another set, guys. Oh, here.
Okay, pull out.
Tako,
Nata single ani ma'am.
ayaw na yung single. Sige daw, pa-check daw.
Nata single ani, ang price 15.
Oh, go. Oh.
Set na siya ma'am. Nana kay foam, nana kay bed frame, nana kay pull out. 5 years warranty ang foam ma'am. 2 years warranty ang frame.
15 lang
Yes ma'am, ang single.
ang single. Sagda ko ang single.
Nana dito ma'am.
Bilistan. Daya kay luag taya ma'am.
Sa luwag.
Ang single na ilan to ma'am. Balik na
Ay, luwag to. Kani mo yung nari nga klase. Cute to siya.
Pati ba naman sa bed, kailangan mo rin pag relationship. Single. Ayan, so let's try to check. Mas cute mo tong brown.
Ini ma'am. Yes, dali ang nimo ni kuno mo. Luwag mo. Yes ma'am.
Maning pull out.
Yes ma'am.
Ligid ni siya.
Yes ma'am.
What do you think, guys? Ikaw, ma.
Oh.
So, unsa man gyud man, nagkasinabot kita, no? But, isa lang ginako ang na-remember.
Di siya ang gusto mong palit kay mahal, pero sabi ko sa kanya, you choose once, the best.
Going down to purchase.
Di siya ang gusto mong palit kay mahal, pero sabi ko sa kanya, you choose once, the best.
Okay, I guess that's it for now. Stay tuned for my part 2, because on the next video, I'll be showing to you how the room looks like with the paints on, with the repaired roof, and all of those stuff that I will improve to make it look better. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you can suggest on things that I can improve sa bedroom, then let me know. Yun! So, thank you once again for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!